Hello everyone and welcome back to a decentralized bull journal. Today we are going to talk about the current market situation, what is happening to the Bitcoin price, what is happening to the altcoins which dumped massively in the last couple of weeks and days. It's very important right now to talk about the situation, so make sure you watch this video until the end if you don't want to miss on any important strategies, opportunities and information. And now without further ado, let's jump straight into the Bitcoin charts. Right here we can see Bitcoin sitting at around $61,222. We had recent retracement from around, let me quickly show it to you, from around the $72,000 around here, boom, down here to the $59,000 exactly where my red support line was drawn. So this looks actually, if I take a look now more clearly, looks quite bullish because we formed a higher low here, which is a very positive pattern right here. Let me quickly show you. So we had here a recent dump of around 51%. You can see it here in the top right corner. This is not so bad. We already know we had these dumps already a couple of times here. Like for example, from here to here we dumped also 17%. Once back again, but from here back to the top we had again another 70% gain. So we see Bitcoin is just moving up and down between this channel right here. That's why don't get scared, don't get shaken out, guys. This is quite normal in the crypto market. We saw previous dips of 30%, 40%, even higher dips on the altcoins, and that's why I'm not scared at all. I'm actually buying more because I will show you some information in this video that is mind-blowing, and this is what the smart money is doing right now. Let's quickly see what would be the outcome for Bitcoin. The next support zone would be at around, either we can retrace back to the $59,000 or we can break even lower to the $56,000. That's where we had the last jump previous time. So actually you can see it from here where the jump from the 56 up to the 72, again around 26% profit on spot, guys. So you can literally make 26% in just a matter of 33 days right here, even lower, and 26 days you can literally make 28% on spot. Quite amazing opportunity. In the most other financial markets is not possible. That's why I'm very grateful to be in the crypto space where we can make profits so easily. Now let's see what would be another outcome for Bitcoin. The next bullish zone would be the 65, and after that would be the 67, and then we can go and try to claim back the all-time high around $73,000. Those are the bullish price targets for Bitcoin. For now it looks like we are forming here. Let me quickly go over to the 1 hourly. A small V-shaped recovery here, guys. You can see it also. We have this V formation here and it looks almost like a V-shaped recovery. Let's see if Bitcoin will go back into this descending wedge, which is a bullish pattern. For now, the bottom of the descending wedge is now the resistance zone. So let's see if we will manage to break through. But for now, it looks not bad. We have here, forming already a higher low, which is quite nice. Let's go over to the altcoin market and check out also Ethereum as well. Ethereum also looks like it's forming the same pattern here, also a V-shaped recovery pattern. Quite nice. We had some bottoming signs here also. You can see here like a double bottom here, and it looks like it's on the way to the top. And guys, don't forget, we will probably see a spot Ethereum ETF trading very soon, the upcoming weeks or months. That's why I'm still very bullish on Ethereum. And once Ethereum will break its previous all-time high, we can expect altcoins to pump even more. Now let's take a look at some other altcoins here. We have STX, $1.70, very attractive price to buy. I already just bought some recently, so I'm thinking to add something more to my long-term spot position. That's why I very like STX and I think it has huge potential. Now let's take a look also Matic. I like Matic a lot. I think it's one of the major layer ones out there. That's why I'm definitely buying more as well. Then we have here Optimism at $1.74. Very nice and attractive price. Then we have Soil, guys. And look, I know these small tokens, you know, they are more volatile and definitely more risk is involved here. But we can make crazy amount of gains with these tokens. Let's say you would buy the dip on Soil, then you would have been already up 15% in just a matter of 18 hours, guys. So in less than 24 hours, you can make 18 to 15% just on spot. Quite amazing opportunities here, guys. That's why I'm definitely looking and I'm definitely sharing some of these opportunities with you, because the market is full of these kind of opportunities. And if you remember, I was talking about SEI a lot, and SEI just did also an amazing move here from the bottom to here, 13%, guys, 13%. And look at this, guys, on the 1 hourly, it looks very bullish to me. We are forming here higher lows, higher highs, and it looks like it's probably going to go to the next price target, which would be the 39 cents. And after that, we can expect, you know, the upside potential is huge. Like if we go, actually, let's go to the daily here and see what is the upside potential for SEI, guys. So let's say SEI would just go from the current price, 36.88, back to the previous high, just around 100 days, 3 months ago. You can make 230% gains on spot, guys. Quite amazing. So you can literally triple your portfolio. If you put in $10,000, you will probably have $35,000 afterwards. Of course, this is not financial advice. The markets are very risky and very volatile. That's why you always need to take your own decisions and make your own due diligence. Now, let's take a look at also the other altcoins. What do we have here? We have the Bitcoin dominance not moving so much. Guys, we can see the Bitcoin dominance is just in this range right here. Let's quickly see. We still have this big resistance here. We can see it, and once this resistance, I think, will probably not be broken, but once we break this support level here at around the 50% zone, then we can expect a huge altcoin season coming in. That's why I'm accumulating more altcoins. I'm also buying more Bitcoin. We can see here Arbitrum also looks like it's recovering. It was 76 cents yesterday when I just bought something, and now it's already at 83 cents. So quite amazing buy from myself. Congratulations, Mario. Now we have here Render. I'm very bullish on Render. Then we have here MPC and XZK, which are two new tokens. You know, MPC, I'm very bullish on MPC because I think they have huge upside potential for the altcoin season, since they are a layer 1 and very low in market cap compared to the other layer 1s out there. XZK is a new token, Mystico it's called. They are doing ZK layers. They are probably one of the best ZK layers out there, and I'm still very bullish on them as well. I think once the altcoin season will start, they can expect a huge upside potential. You know, the token had a huge pump on the listing day, and now it's already, you know, going lower for nice buys, you know. And now let's see what else we have here. We have Uni holding very strong at $9.37, and besides that we have Link $13.90, very juicy. Aptos, I also bought some more. Then AVAX, I just bought some AVAX literally like not even 1 hour ago, because I think $25 AVAX is a blessing, guys. Buying AVAX here at $25, I think AVAX can easily go above the $100 again. So quite amazing. You can literally 4x your position just with this coin without any leverage here. If you would use a leverage, then you can literally make 4,000% on your trade with this opportunity. I'm actually also thinking to open a leverage trade on AVAX. I will update you on Twitter. And also, very important for you guys, follow me on Twitter. There I'm sharing a lot of alpha with you, and I'm giving you the best information that you can get in the market. Let's see here. Here we have, in the past 2 cycles, altcoins peaked exactly 546 days post-halving. So we still have plenty of time to accumulate more. you know, history doesn't repeat, but it rhymes. And I definitely expect a similar outcome this season as well. Now, let's see here. We had here 546 days, new all-time high. This was in the cycle of 2017. Then we have the cycle from 2021 to 2024. We see here 546 days after halving, all-time high. And now, guys, look at this. We are just right here. We are just a couple of months after the halving, and we still have huge upside potential. I think the 2.2 trillion market cap can be even, you know, even more juicy. I can expect for crypto at least a 8 trillion, 9 trillion market cap if the altcoin season really starts to become just as bullish as the previous times. Now, let me quickly show you some other stuff. We have here Lingo, which is one of my most anticipated launches that I'm looking forward to. We can see here Lingo is launching a huge airdrop. You can already go and check it out with this link on my Twitter. Make sure you use this link so you can get access to the pre-sale, which is very huge opportunity for everyone to get in early on this project. Now, let me quickly show you some incredible data right here. We can see the fear and greed index is at its lowest for this year, guys. We can see here, we have here January 24, here right in the middle, and we can see right now we are at the lowest point that we have been in the last 6 months, guys. Quite amazing opportunity now, and I'm definitely buying more, because as you know, buy when people are fearful. And it looks like we're almost going into the fear zone. But in my opinion, since we are in a Bitcoin bull market, I don't think we will likely go into the fear zone. That's why I'm already starting to accumulate here in the neutral zone. Then, this very important post about the phases on Twitter, guys. So, here I explain to you, we are just in phase 1. Let's read it out loudly all together. Here, phase 1. Flow of money moves into Bitcoin, causing prices to surge. This is what we have seen now. Bitcoin had some nice inflows from the ETFs, from the retail investors, and is almost sitting at around all-time high, maybe 20% or 10% less. Now, this is the phase overlap. We are right now just in the phase overlap. We can see money flows into Ethereum, but it struggles to keep up with Bitcoin. This is exactly the scenario we are seeing right now, because Ethereum didn't go above its previous all-time high yet, like Bitcoin. That's why we can see here Ethereum goes back and forth with Bitcoin and starts outperforming. This is, I think, the phase that we're going to see very soon. I think with the Ethereum ETF, we will definitely see more inflows coming into Ethereum. So I expect huge price action for Ethereum. And after that, we can see we have phase 2 when Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin, and with here talks about the flippening. Right now, actually, let me see if I have this tweet here. No, I don't have this tweet, but Bitcoin is sitting right now at around $1.2 trillion. You can check this tweet on my Twitter. Bitcoin is sitting at $1.2 trillion and Ethereum at around $485 billion. That's why there is still room to grow for Ethereum, and maybe it will flip Bitcoin. I don't think so, but I definitely expect to catch up to Bitcoin very fast. So I see Ethereum as well at around $1 trillion market cap. Then we can see here, after the Ethereum phase, we have the large cap phase, which tokens like AVAX, Arbitrum, Matic will start going parabolic. And after that, we can see the alt season, where we have the juicy micro caps outperforming like crazy. That's why I'm not scared at all, guys. I'm just happy to buy more on these crazy discounts. Now, I want to talk about the phase 4 also as well. Here we can see large caps and mid caps start to go parabolic as well, and are starting to form law of tops. For now, we are just in the phase 1, guys. Really, don't get shaken out. The smart money just wants to accumulate more cheap coins from you. Now, let me switch back to the camera here and Thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure you share it with your friends, because I shared amazing knowledge in this video, and I would definitely appreciate it if you leave a comment down below and tell me what is your perspective right now. Do you think the market will go more down? Do you think the market will start recovering? Do you think there is a top formation here, like Bitcoin already topped up? This was the bull market, and now we will just see sidewards, downwards movements. Now, this is definitely not the case in my opinion. I'm very bullish on the whole crypto market, and now I want to wish you an amazing rest of the day. Don't forget to take profits. Bye bye.